What's up, guys? So Jack Veal just flew in 2,000 miles to film with us, and we decided to take his pooter to the hood. Yep.
Come on now, what the f you sitting up here farting for, mother? How come you can't get the f up?
Whoa,
now you trying to be nasty.
really
That's nasty. Go over there. You're a rude mother. Cause you round back.
Well, how can you say I'm rude if you're gonna cuss at me like that?
Because you're an ignorant mother. You gonna sit up there and fart?
Excuse me?
You farted in my face, bro.
What's that?
You farted in my face.
No, that wasn't me. Was that you?
Excuse you.
I'm sorry?
You passed gas.
It's a block that way.
Stop that, man.
What?
Back up. You keep farting.
That wasn't me.
It is you.
I promise, it wasn't me.
Is it you?
It wasn't me.
It is you.
You.
It's
It
not.
is you.
Get the away from me.
Did you just fart?
What's that? Excuse me?
I know you didn't lift your leg up and just fart.
Oh, no, it wasn't me. I pooped already.
You just fart?
Just go right here and pass gas, bro.
And do what now?
Pass gas.
What is that?
You know what pass gas?
Oh. No, I'm not sure.
You just did it right on me, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. My stomach's just.
Well, I mean, we'll move. You know you're gonna do that. Go wait for somebody. God damn.
Hey, dude, you need to go down there somewhere for real, though. You ain't no be breaking no wind up in here, dog. For real, dude. I know, but you need to quit.